welcome back or welcome to my channel, All About Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But in today's video, I am going to be installing this 2x6 closure unit, which I absolutely love. You're gonna see me install it, cut the lace, glue it down, even though it doesn't have to be glued. This is technically glueless. You're gonna see me straighten it. You're gonna see me curl this unit. So if you want to see how I was able to get to this point, then just keep on watching. Okay, so honestly, let's just jump into this install because I'm really excited and looking forward to installing this wig, and it should be like a super simple install because the closure is just about that big. I really got this wig because I just wanted like an everyday simple wig that I could throw on. But anyways, let's actually talk about the wig and get into her. This is the wig. So I got the Naomi wig from Trust Deco Wigs. I'm going to read you guys the specs. So this is again the Naomi wig. I got a cap size large because I have a big head. It is 180% density and it is 20 inches, but honestly I feel like it's super long. But anyways, I'm not complaining. That's actually a good thing. So this closure is actually a 2x6 closure, if you guys can see that. Again, I wanted like a really small closure like this because it's just easy to plop on every single day. This wig I'm always going to wear in the middle part. I mean, I don't have any other choice, but yeah, I just wanted a simple go-to really nice wig. I'm pretty sure I can wear this glueless, but I may glue it down today, so we'll see. But anyways, first things first, I'm going to tackle my edges a little bit. Don't mind my braids. They are struggle braids, but they'll get the job done, you know? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of edge control and we are going to push my, I'll say hairline back. No, we're going to push my edges back. Also with this unit, I tried it on yesterday. If you wanted to, you could have like a small strip of leave out right here and kind of straighten it. So on the sides, my braids start a little bit further back just so I can really swoop those edges. In case you do see them, I don't really plan on it, but yeah, that is an option if you wanted to wear this wig like that, but I didn't really care for that. I just want like a really nice protective style. So I chose to braid up all of my hair. Okay, so edges are done. Now, I'm not going to be putting on a wig cap or doing the ball cap method, anything like that, because the closure is literally, it's like super small. You don't need to do all that. So with my braids, I'm just going to kind of tuck them up and pin them with a bobby pin because this wig or this install, whatever you want to say, I will be taking off every day. So I'm just slowly taking a bobby pin and I am pinning that hair down. Then I'm just going to come back down and pin it again. You could sew the ends of your braids if you wanted to, but like I said, I'm just going to be taking this on and off every day, so it's a little bit more comfortable if I can let my braids down. Okay, so braids are pinned down. This is what it looks like. Again, not the neatest, but it will do. So now we can actually put the wig on. So again, this is what the wig looks like. It's a I said 2x6 closure, right? 2x6 closure, super simple. It does have an adjustable strap, so I'm going to hook that on the back first. And so when I first put the wig on, this is what it looks like. Going to adjust the sides. So see, this is what I mean. Like if you want to have leave out right here and just kind of blend it in, you could do that. And I'm going to move it up to where I want it. So I think right about there is good. And the first thing I noticed about this hair is that it's super soft, probably some of the softest hair I've ever felt. Like I was actually very surprised with it. But this is the wig. Again, it is 20 inches and it's pretty long on me and I am 5'8", right around there. So yeah, I feel like this is a good length on me. First, I think I'm going to hot comb the top and then we're going to cut off the lace. And then I'm also going to straighten. I also plan on curling this wig, but I want to straighten it first just to see what it looks like. Also, I asked her to cut in a little bit of layers on the side if you can see that. Okay, so my hot comb has heated up. I'm just going to press out these roots a little bit. I don't really think I have to do much, but I just want to go over it. Already that made a difference if you can see. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I can see in person. So I'm just going to go ahead and flatten these roots. Okay, so I went and flattened the top with the hot comb. Honestly, the wig is very flat. My actual braids could be a little bit flatter, so if that part doesn't look super flat, it's because of my braids underneath. Again, they are struggle braids. So I'm just gonna take this wax stick and I'm getting these little flyaways that came up from when I applied the hot comb. So to cut my lace, I'm just going to use this eyebrow razor, and I like to use these to cut my lace because they just naturally give that jagged edge when you just go across it like that. This is like the smallest amount of lace I've ever worked with, so this should be fairly simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna move my mirror closer, so sorry if you can see it in the frame, but I have to see for this part. So I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor And first I'm just going to get through that part. I'm just going to go like this and apply a little bit of pressure, and it's just going to cut through the lace. There we go. So that's what it looks like cut initially. So I'm actually going to take some scissors, and you see these thick ends right here. I'm actually just going to cut that part off. Okay, so now my lace is looking like this. I'm just going to go in and kind of clean up certain areas. Okay, so I cut my lace as much as I want. This is pretty much what it looks like. Very small piece of lace, if you can see that. So this wig I really don't have to glue down, especially if I tighten the elastic band, but I have this Bold Hold liquid gold lace glue, and I've used it before and I really like it. So I think I'm just going to apply it a little bit right there just to give us a small tiny hold. So first I'm just going to move my wig back a little bit, and right where I'm going to apply the lace adhesive, I'm just going to clean off a little bit of my makeup and just make sure it's nice and clean right there. So I'm really only going to do one layer of this because I really don't need any at all. And before I let it dry, I'm going to apply the closure. So just move it forward and stick it down. And I'm just going to take a comb and make sure I press the lace into that adhesive. And you can tell already just how that is blending in a lot better. And now I'm just going to wrap down that part of the closure to make sure it dries in place. So just like that. I'm just gonna leave this on for maybe about 5 minutes because one, we don't have a lot of lace that we're gluing down, and two, this stuff doesn't take long to dry. Okay, so it's been like 3 minutes and I took the scarf off. Now I'm just going to remove some of the extra adhesive that is on my forehead. So yeah, this is what the closure is looking like, if you guys can tell. So now I'm just going to take the brush I used to do my foundation and just kind of pat that over right there to kind of blend where I removed my makeup. But really what I'm going to do to blend that area is take a little bit of bronzer, kind of tap that in. I don't mind getting it on the lace right now because this is my first application, but usually I wouldn't want to get makeup on the lace, but for right now I don't mind because it will just help to blend. So yeah, just like that, and I feel like we are good to go. Okay, so this is what the install is looking like at this point. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of conceal my part and apply a little bit of brown eyeshadow on the edges. I just feel like this helps to make the part look a little bit more defined and a little bit more neat. And if you have any problems with like over bleaching or over plucking, this will just really help to kind of conceal that and make it look like that's not what it is. So I just put a little bit of concealer on this angled brush, and I'm just going to draw right in the middle of that line. I'm just going to tap all the way back, and I'm just going to kind of melt it with my finger. Okay, so now that I applied my concealer and my parting, I'm going to go ahead and take a brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to pick some up on a brush, and I'm just going to kind of define my part so I can bring it in, make it a little bit smaller if I want, clean up some patches, and just make it overall look a little bit neater. Okay, so this is what my part is looking like. I just did the concealer and did the eyeshadow on the outer edges. Now I just feel like it looks like a really nice, neat part. So that's pretty much it for the actual install: gluing down the lace, cutting the lace, fixing up the part. So this wig is super simple, super easy. And again, I don't have to glue it down. It's just I decided to today. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. The actual hairstyle we're going to do is curling this unit, but since this is my first time wearing it, I want to see what it looks like straightened and just really nice and be able to look at the layers in it. So we're just going to straighten it really quickly. Okay, so this is the hair straightened. I actually bumped in the ends so you can really see the layered cut, and I just really like this unit. It's just like a simple, really nice unit, but I feel like the layers just gives it a little bit of pizzazz, and it just makes it a little bit different. I love these layers on this unit. Yeah, this unit is it. I love this unit, and the hair is so soft. Like, I don't know if she put a treatment on it, but it just feels so good. So yeah, I feel like this unit is a 10 out of 10. But now let's go ahead and curl it because I want to see how it looks that way too. Okay, so this is my hair. I just finished curling it. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of hairspray. Ooh, that was a lot. That gives it some volume, okay. Just gonna add some hairspray in between the layers and over top. Don't need a lot of that stuff. That stuff holds very well. And I'm just gonna kind of shake it out. I just wanted like a natural kind of curl. I didn't want like a tight curl or even really neat. So I'm gonna comb it out with my fingers. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys like? Do you like it better curled or do you like it better straightened? Okay guys, so this is the finished install, the finished hairstyle. This is how it all came out. As you guys saw, I like just barely kind of wrapped the hair around the around the curling iron, and it really held pretty well. This install, easiest install I have ever done. Of course that is because this is a 2x6 closure, but I'm really feeling it. I feel like if you don't need a lot of lace and if you're really just doing like a simple middle part like this, then why not just get like a simple 2x6 closure? So I really do like this. I'm really happy with it. The hair feels so good. Like this hair is so soft. This video isn't sponsored. I don't have to do this video or anything. I just picked up the wig yesterday and I was really excited to put it on. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I install it and how the hair looks. I absolutely love it. Like this is my favorite unit right now. It's just so easy, but it's super cute. And I actually really do like it straightened too. And most of the time I prefer my hair curled. So yeah, what do you guys like more? Do you like it more straightened or do you like it more curled like this? And like I said earlier, if you want to have like some leave out on the side right here, so like if you want to kind of tuck your hair or do something else with it, you could definitely do that. Right now it's just like my edges and then the edge of the wig. But if some days I feel like I kind of want to pull my hair back or something like that, I could definitely just have a little bit of leave out right here, just straighten it, and it's gonna blend super well, especially because I am relaxed. But you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a super quick and easy but effortless install. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. What do you think about the unit? How did I do on the install? Do you like it better straight or curled? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.